In this video, I'm going to tell you about delta time and the update loop in Unity. The update loop is a fundamental part of modern games. All the code in the update loop runs every frame. Frames are just like frames in a film. They're static images that, when displayed one after another, create the appearance of smooth movement. In this sense, we could think of our game as a film where each frame is set up and rendered right before it's displayed. The delta in delta time comes from the Greek letter delta, which is used in mathematics to mean finite difference. So delta time is the amount of time that's passed since the last frame, or the difference in time between two frames. Delta time is important for a number of reasons. For example, in the image we see here, we see 3 frames of a sphere moving up. The sphere has a speed, and that speed is distance over time. The delta time allows us to calculate the distance that sphere should move from one frame to the next. In our earlier script, we simply added a small amount to the position to move the object. This is actually a bad practice and can cause problems. For example, consider 2 identical games, except one is running at 120 frames per second and the other is running at 30 frames per second. If we let each game run for 1 second, the object in the game running at 30 frames per second is only going to move a quarter of the distance of the object in the faster running game. Using delta time, we can give our game more consistency, regardless of the speed it runs. We call this frame rate independence. In Unity, delta time is measured in